Okay, Madhusudan. So, do you use Facebook?
Sir, I have an account, but not so much, sir. Means I won't use it that much.
Why not so much?
That means I will be working with this model and I will be attending class and I will forget that I want to open this account and I want to check what are the information. So,
Your friends use Facebook?
sir, I think yes, because many of my friends play PUBG and Free Fire and also to log in that they will directly create a Facebook account and they will log in.
So that means you use less Facebook than your friends.
Yes, sir. Less means comparatively more less, sir. Uh, you can take approximately monthly once.
Oh, that is good. So, apart from working, what else do you do? Apart from working and studying, any other activities?
Sir, I am a cricket player, sir. I can play cricket.
Cricket. You play for any club?
Sir, I was playing when I joined JNV. I left.
You was playing and then?
Sir, when I selected for JNV, I left.
Okay, Madhusudan. So, do you
Yes.
know how Facebook kills its competition? That today's topic is that how Facebook kills its competition.
Yes, sir. Means from my side, this Facebook, you can see that it has introduced this WhatsApp and monthly or 2 months or yearly or 6 months, it will be updating. It will be adding some new features, and you can use it in the laptop, PC, and everywhere. So like this, they will be making some new features and also I think they would win like this. I would defeat. Means I think that they would defeat other competitors like this.
So, who are the competitors of Facebook? Do you think?
Sir, Twitter is there
And
and this Discord. I
which
think
one?
Discord.
Discord. Okay.
It's
Discord.
like a yes sir. It's like a WhatsApp only.
Can you explain about it a little bit?
Sir, it is a normal messenger, sir. In that you can create your own group. Means in that group won't be there server like it will be there, and so, sir, you can connect directly through your voice and like WhatsApp web also Discord is there, sir. And yeah, that's all, sir. I know about that, and I am also using it now, sir. And it is very good for the people who maintain their privacy at a very high level.
Okay, Hariji. So, how do you think Facebook can kill its competition? How do you think Facebook kills its competition on present day?
So Facebook, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So basically, Facebook is what it does. It has a strategy. So whenever it finds some social media app or any type of app that is similar to Facebook is increasing in number of users, so Facebook starts feeling it is a threat. It is a competition for them. So they
Facebook
will,
start creating.
what they will do, they will acquire that. Facebook starts getting a like threat. Like if the users increase, maybe Facebook users will decrease in future. So what they will do, they will either acquire that startup. So like example, they acquired WhatsApp, they acquired Instagram. In the same way, so if any other social media app, suppose Clubhouse, or if we say for that matter Twitter or Discord, so Twitter is altogether different, so they can't acquire that because it was already a competitor, very big competitor for Facebook. So I don't think they can acquire it now. So but any other startup that they have, So Facebook as a strategy, they will join hands with that startup. They will buy that startup, right? So WhatsApp was one of such messenger app, which was increasingly, which was getting very popular, right? So Facebook had nothing to do, had left with nothing, no option, but to buy WhatsApp and get it under the Facebook umbrella, right, under the Facebook group of company. So the competition gets automatically killed. There is no competition left now. So whoever is a WhatsApp user is already a Facebook user. That means, right? So whether he is in Facebook or not, that doesn't matter because Facebook is already getting connected and getting revenue through WhatsApp, which is also a Facebook company now, right? In the same way, Instagram. So Instagram also is a alternative app just like Facebook. So Instagram's popularity was increasing during these days. So again, Facebook did the same thing. They acquired Insta also. So this is how they kill competition, I think. What would you like to add, Aritro, in this? How
Well,
is
I would
Facebook?
like to say that what if a company decide that it does not want to get acquired? Then what would happen to it?
Okay, so that is see, if who will say like that? If you get much more money than what you are getting now in your startup, won't you sell the startup? Like if you get Facebook offers, or for that matter any company which is into the same line of business that the startup is, and it offers a income of maybe more than what they can make in another 5 or 10 years, so they evaluate it in that way and give you that money. So I don't think anyone will deny, no one will deny that offer. Just like Whitehead Jr., Byju's offered a huge sum of money to Whitehead Jr., and it was already struggling for existence. In the same way, WhatsApp was also struggling for existence because when it started, it had very few users, and later on the users increased. But what WhatsApp model was, he could never have got that income by keeping that company in his own, like. So what do you think, what WhatsApp CEO might have thought? He didn't think like that, and he just sold the company to Facebook. What would be the thought process for, I'm forgetting his name, WhatsApp CEO, who
Well, I
was
think money,
uh,
money.
money, right?
Yeah.
So that is the big thing. Money is the biggest thing for everyone. So if you get lump sum money, then probably you will just take a exit from the startup, and you will start your some another venture from that money, right? So that is the thing.
Okay, one thing I wanted to ask, let's say for example, if I sell my startup to a big company or a large company, then after that, would I keep on getting my income? Would I keep on getting my positive cash flow, or would I get the amount for which I have sold it only?
No,
Are you there?
what? Yeah, I'm here. What is your doubt in that?
The doubt is that let's say I have a startup and after several years I am planning to sell it to a large company. Okay. The company acquired my startup
Okay.
and it gave me a lump sum amount of money. For the selling process, it gave me a lump sum amount of money. Now that company would handle my startup. So for the rest of my life, would I still be getting some amount of money for my startup, or would I get that only the amount for which is being sold only?
Okay, that depends on totally on the agreement that you have with the large company. So if you are entering into an agreement wherein you take a lump sum money and you have no stake left in the company, So you are just left out, there will be no intervention, then you cannot turn back that company. Everything will be managed by the large company. You just have to say tata bye bye with all the money. Or else there is another option wherein the company and you have an understanding, wherein they say you remain in the company as an employee or as a stakeholder. We pay you a lump sum amount, just the ownership will change. The ownership will be the bigger company. You will work as an employee, as a CEO, okay, until so and so period of time, until the company starts working successfully. So there are different terms and condition and different clause depending on the takeover procedure, like whatever takeover is being done. So so when companies take over another company, usually there is a broker also involved, so who deal in such type of dealings. Like the broker will be like some very influential person who knows the CEO of both the companies, right? So he knows the CEO, he knows you, and he knows the other company also. So they also work in that, and sometimes the consulting firms also are involved. So it depends totally. Do I did I clear your point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's say that
Sir, excuse me.
yeah, say
I have a question, sir.
yeah, say ask.
Yes, sir. Suppose if I have funded a software or something somewhat relevant to Facebook, nowadays it is recovering. Means use number of users are increasing day by day than Facebook. Facebook tries to acquire my this Facebook related app which I have founded, and it offers me more than means you cannot imagine that much money it offers me, but I won't give. Then what would the Facebook take as a decision?
Can you repeat the question once more?
Yes, sir. Suppose you can take means you have means two type of chocolates you have. Means one you take dairy milk and another one local chocolate.
Hmm.
Then day by day the local chocolate which a person will be producing it, day by day the number of users or consumers increases. Then the dairy milk company owner will come near this local company, and he offers some good amount of money, and he say give your company and I will manage it. Take this much of money, somewhat something dash he will tell. But the local manager, local chocolate company manager won't agree that he won't take. You don't need, I will only manage. Then that dairy milk company, what he can do means to his competitor is there now, that local chocolate company. What can he do? He refuses to buy the offer.
So you are asking what can dairy milk do in this situation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hariki, can you please answer the question? I think you can answer it better. Hariki sir, are you there? Hello, am I audible? Madhusudan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Hariki, are you there?
I think some network issue.
In that case, I would say that dairy milk can try to kill the competition, try to
Yeah.
destroy that competition, because you see now there is a simple formula. If you cannot acquire your competitor, then there is only one way to get rid of it, is to destroy it. Either you destroy it, or you can copy it. Copy it means you can copy its marketing strategy. That you can do, because
Yes, sir.
you understood.
Yes, sir. Now I got.
Copying means you can copy its marketing and sales strategy, because you see if your competitor is becoming popular, then there must be a secret, there must be a particular strategy or formula that they are using that is making them popular. So you can just copy that formula, copy that strategy and make yourself more popular. That you can do. Or else you can kill the competitor whether in ethical way or in unethical way. That would
Yeah.
be the two options.
Okay. Yes.
Hariki, am I audible? Okay. So Madhusudan,
Yes, sir.
tell me, let's say that, oh, I just already gave you the answer. Yeah, I just already gave you Facebook. What actually the thing is that what Facebook does it, Facebook at first when it sees a competitor, it tries to acquire it. It tries to acquire it.
Yes, sir.
But if that company refuses to get acquired or refuses to sell itself, then Facebook does what I said. Facebook would either copy its strategy or would destroy it. Because
Yes, sir.
there was one app which I forgot its name. It was a, I think it was a video creation app.
Yes.
And Facebook, what they tried to do is they tried to acquire it, but that app refuses to get acquired. That app said that we won't sell ourselves to you. We can work with ourselves. And Facebook, in a very legal manner, they just killed that app. That's what they did.
Means how, sir? How how can they?
Okay, so Madhusudan, let's say that
Yes.
you are starting your own company, which is related to Facebook, and Facebook tried to acquire it. Facebook offered you a lump sum of money and said that you sell the company to us, but you rejected.
Yes.
And since you rejected, Facebook destroyed your company, it killed your company, or it killed your app. So in that case, in that case you would feel bad, right? You would feel very bad, because
Yes,
if
sir.
you create a company, it requires a lot of sweat and hard work. And if someone kills your company just like that because you don't want it to get acquired, then it feels very bad. So in that case, do you think there should be a rule? There should be a rule that you know that won't allow Facebook to kill any competitor, to kill any company. Do you think there should be a rule in the marketplace?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure. Because many people in the world, thousands of people are very talented, sir. You can go everywhere and check, sir. Many people are talented, so we should not make their talent just go in the river. So we should catch it and we should use it.
Now let's say Madhusudan, let's say that you are the founder of Facebook. Okay, you are
Yes,
the
sir.
founder of Facebook, and there is another company. Let's say Instagram. Okay, now the problem is that your company is already
Yes.
popular, but the problem is that Instagram is gaining more and more popularity. Okay, Instagram is gaining more and more
Yes,
popularity,
sir.
and within a few years, it would overtake you or become more popular than you. So in that case, what you
Yes, sir.
tried to do is that you tried to acquire Instagram, but
Yes, sir.
Instagram refused. It says that it won't get acquired. But the problem
Yes,
is
sir.
that if you can't acquire Instagram, then Instagram would one day grow more popular than you, and one day it might happen that people would forget Facebook. People might forget your
Yes, sir.
company. So in that case, when Instagram is refusing to get acquired with you, what would you do in that case?
Yes, sir. The first thing which I would do is I won't acquire or I won't destroy or delete anything. First,
You
I
want
will
to?
post to my this. Yes, sir. I will make a case study.
You make a case.
Means, sir, I will spread a message that what type of features you want in this, and what is the bad thing which is there in the app, which one I should add or which one I should delete, like that.
About Instagram, right?
Sir,
No,
pardon,
no,
sir.
you would spread the news about which one? About your company or your rival company?
Sir, no, no, no. Yeah, I would make a farm application and I would spread in my software, means in the app. Then many user will see that and they would suggest or they would say that this factor is wrong and you should compulsorily change. And in that majority rules the party formula applies, and what majority people ask or suggest, I would implement, and I think it would help to remain in the same position.
So you would do it for your app, right? For your company. You would conduct a market research and see which
Yes.
can be improved, right?
Yes, sir. Sir. Or otherwise, there is another idea, sir. Means you can watch the thing which is being interested or which is being attractive in the Instagram. You should not copy that same into the Facebook. If you copy that same again in the Facebook, then again it would be a problem, because they all the users same what they would think that both the app are same, and the both the features are there in the both apps. So let be in the Instagram only, and they would think and they would want to come to the Facebook. So according to me, sir, they should innovate such a thing that it should beat the feature that is in the Instagram. Means it should be more attractive than the feature that has been invented by the Instagram.
Okay, fine. But let's say that you are conducting the market survey and you see now, let's say that you don't have any option. People said that they like your app. They like your app Facebook. They are saying that there is nothing to improve. But the thing is that they like Instagram more. They like Instagram more. They are liking Instagram more. Instagram is getting more and more popular because let's say that people are saying that your app is becoming old because your app is becoming familiar or it is becoming very predictable or original, your app. So people want to get into a new app and that's why they are choosing Instagram. So let's say people are saying that they don't want any improvement for your app. They just want to get into a new app. So in that case, what would you do? People are saying that they don't recommend any kind of improvement. They just want to get into Instagram because it is something new and getting more and more popular. In that case,
Yes,
what would
sir.
you do?
Sir, for this big problem, the simple solution is you can change your company name, sir. That's all. You can update the name. Means now it is a Facebook. Means you can next change it as a this. Now it has been a Facebook. Means face magic book, something like that. Innovative names, ideas, which would be memorable in the people mind. Like that, you can change the name, company name.
So, Madhusudan,
Yes, sir.
oh my God.
What, sir?
Hey, 1 minute, 1 minute. In
Yes,
there,
sir.
why are you so late? In there, are you there? In there,
Yeah, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you. Why are you so late today?
I somewhere busy, that's why.
Okay, I was about to end the session. You just came at a very last moment. Okay, in there, let's ask you a question. This is the last question of the session. So, as you
Okay.
know, today's topic was that how does Facebook kills its competition? Okay, so let me ask
How
you,
the
how does
how
Facebook
the
kills its competition?
kills it? Okay.
Yeah, how does
Okay.
Facebook kills its competition? And the answer is that
Okay.
if Facebook find another app that is gaining popularity, what it would do is that it would either try to acquire it, just like it acquired Instagram. It would either try to acquire it, and if the company or if the rival company refuses to get acquired or refuses to sell itself, then Facebook would either copy its strategy, copy its marketing and sales strategy, because if you see if Facebook copies strategy, then Facebook can gain as much as popularity just like its rival. They would either copy strategy or they would kill it. They would just simply kill the
Okay.
app. That's what Facebook do. That's what Facebook is known to do. So let's say that you are building a startup. You are building a startup, and After a few years, a large company came and said that they want to acquire your startup. Okay, and you rejected that offer, that you don't want to sell your company right now. So as a result, that company got angry and finally killed your startup or destroyed your startup through some legal way, through some ethical or non-ethical way. They have much more power, much more connection, so they killed your startup. So you see, in that case, you would feel very bad because creating a startup takes a lot of hard work. In that case, you would feel very bad. So do you think there should be a rule that prevents a large company from destroying a small company just for competition purpose?
Just for competition purpose.
Yeah, you see, Facebook does that. Facebook kills its competition.
I don't think so. Twitter is still there.
Yeah,
Twitter is still there.
which one?
Twitter.
Twitter. Twitter is there. Twitter is you see, as popular as Facebook, but Facebook is known to kill its competition. Facebook, uh,
Who use the Twitter?
yeah,
The most celebrity. You know who basically use the Twitter? As I know, most popular celebrities and like richest person, top richest person, mostly they use Twitters. Like they use also other platform.
yeah.
So we can't take Twitter as a like it's a small thing. But Facebook even doesn't copy, and even I don't think so they try to capture. Maybe they try to capture. So like Twitter maybe avoid that kind of thing. I don't think so personally that like Facebook trying to like kill others startup and kind of that. Got it?
Okay.
Why? Yeah, why Facebook will try to do this if they have that much power? Like they have uh, everything. They can like advertisement there on their own platform, so they can make their own if they wanted. Just because of there was available WhatsApp on sale, so they like acquire all its like shareholders and all that. So this is the thing. At that time, nobody knows that what is actually WhatsApp and what is Instagram. After like Facebook is also improving Instagram. They bring reels and so many things after buying. So it's not kind of that the killing and all that. Got it. So many things are there. Even they were like YouTube is also there. This is kind of social platform going to become. Search engines are there, but Facebook even not trying to like capture these all things. They can do it over a night. They can make their own kind of things, but they were not doing. So many things are there to do. I don't think so personally. Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we had enough of meeting. Since you are busy in there, let's end the meeting today.
Okay, Ritu.
We can continue it tomorrow.
Yeah. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you too. Bye.